親父ギャグすぎるスイーツ、シナモロールのシナモンロールを作ります。Let's go! 200 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar, 30 grams of egg, 3 grams of dry yeast, 100 cc's of milk. Mix it together. Move to a bench and knead it together. $20 grams of butter. Knead it together. Allow to rise for 2 hours. 50 grams of brown sugar. 10 grams of butter. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Mix it together. Cut 1/6 off. Roll out to a large square. Cover with the brown sugar. Roll up and cut into 8 pieces. Add some ears. Let rise for 1 hour. Bake at 380 for 12 minutes. 125 grams of cream cheese. 30 grams of butter. 80 grams of powdered sugar. Mix it together. Place on top of the rolls and draw a face. Boom!